Hey guys, it's iamMisterIRL. On this week's weekly recap, we have our host reacting to clips again, JinpaiSenpai. This week Jin is reacting to a clip from princessdroneflake as they were doing a drone stream and had a very close encounter with a helicopter. DailyDasher gets scammed from Google Maps. Hood track with murder. Rellik almost landing on people. And much, much more.
Thank you. Appreciate it. I'm very glad you guys caught that before we did this. Hello. Is there anybody out there? Okay. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to an episode of Outdoor IRL. If you like Outdoor IRL content, go to OutdoorIRL.com. Hey, Mr. Outdoor IRL, sponsor me. Give me money. Okay, very epic. Let's get into it. This is Dasher, DailyDasher, titled Dasher Scam. Oh. I hope he doesn't get hit by a car, man.
That's not nothing. That's a office building with the lights still in. There's just like office buildings with their lights still on. Scam. We walked this way earlier. I think there might be some CVS's down there. The staff goes in before 8, but that would mean they're open 24 hours.
Oh, we thought it was like a bodega. Oh.
That's not nothing. That's a office building with the lights still in.
Damn, that is kind of a ruse. Wow. All right. That's life sometimes, man. You think it's a bodega, but in reality, it's a boring building for sheeple, dude. For sheeple to do accounting. Imagine, am I right, boys? Imagine actually having a stable job with money that you can work 9 to 5 and being happy with that. Imagine, dude. Wow. Genghis Khan. The man Genghis Khan. I love this guy. He's wild. All right.
Yeah. I'm from DC.
What's your nationality?
Korean.
Korean.
Yeah. 안녕하세요. Yes.
He's Korean?
I'm here with
It's good to see you out here again.
Here on Twitch. If you don't like it, get out of here, bitch.
Yes.
I love it. Murda on the racetrack. Jesus, this one's always way too loud. Okay.
Damn, that's how you win. He tricked him.
That's messed up. That's messed up. So if you didn't know, they need to both. Damn.
Tricked him. God damn, he fell for it.
He was money wasn't
supposed to
riding
give
on
him the
that.
hit, and he revved his bike up, and he fucking tried to take off. He gets the money. That's fucked up.
Ooh. More murder. More murder. That car's crazy.
Oh my God.
That was close.
Oh.
I'm very glad we turned that down. That was sick, but I'm very glad we turned that down. That's so cool.
Save of the day right there, ladies and gentlemen.
More murder.
Oh, he just hit that guy's car.
There he goes. He's fleeing the scene.
He about to go chase him.
Oh, he's pissed.
He's about to go chase him down. He just backed into that guy's car.
I don't know where that man's running to. Everybody knows who he is. Wait, did he have a special car? Oh, no. Dodge Charger? I hope that's right. Guys, correct me if I'm wrong. This might just be ignorant. Everybody knows who he is. Look at the shame. You can see. Okay. Okay, computer enhance. Look at that. Look at that face palm, bro. He knows. He knows. I need to know the outcome too, man. I'm on the edge of my seat. I'm edging. This is my girl, Princess Droneflake. She's sick. I love her streams. She's wearing clout goggles. Very epic.
Oh no.
They do drones?
What the fuck?
What?
Oh my god, that's really scary. He's fucking shit up. Someone probably needs to be rescued right now. That was
OutdoorIRL says show
scary.
helicopter.
Okay, yeah, Trace following.
OutdoorIRL says we didn't see it.
Damn, I thought it was.
So many mysteries today.
Really low. Oh no. What the fuck?
I think it was just a helicopter driving real close.
Oh my god, that's really scary. He's fucking shit up. Someone probably needs to be rescued right now. That was
OutdoorIRL says show
scary.
helicopter.
What? So much context missed. Let me ping him. Let me try to get this fool in the chat. Helicopter flew close to the drone. Oh. Show helicopter.
Now that was
OutdoorIRL says show
scary.
helicopter.
So he's fucking shit up.
Oh no. What the fuck?
10 kill streak. Heli achieved. So I'm assuming, yeah, he probably flew close to the drone. Maybe he was just like carving it up and shit, like hauling ass because he's gonna save somebody. That's what I'm assuming. That thing looked fast, man.
Someone probably needs to be rescued right now. That was
Hey, Mr. Outdoor IRL, if you have any clue of the context, overlay it here right now and up there. There's the context. Look at it. There you go. This is what happened. I sure hope he has the context. Or else this would be very awkward. All right. So this is Rellik. He's sick, man. Another awesome IRL streamer. He has a clown mask. He's very cool, but he's not a clown. He's a very cool guy. God, I hate this. You can hear him. He's like hyperventilating. I feel that so much, my guy. He's getting so close to the shore. I hate that. I hate that. I hate that. I feel for him. I've done this before. It's okay, actually.
Rob Hollowell shared. X100. So how's the air up there? I bet if you could shoot an egg out of your butt right now, you...
Am I going to land on these people?
Shoot an egg on your out of your butt.
Chip242 shared. X100.
Oh my god.
Great
Dude.
service.
Am I going to land on these people?
Dude.
Oh, shit, I think I'm going to land on these people.
No, 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 no. Dude, guy. The boat operator here is awful.
Whoa! Holy shit!
Oh, no. Okay, they planned that.
Man!
How was it, buddy?
It was amazing.
I thought maybe this would be cool to do in the future. I was like, oh, yeah. Yeah, I remember doing that. It was pretty fun. After watching this clip... No. 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 No thanks. That gave me a lot of anxiety. Look. He should have spat on somebody though. But still, no. My boy shook one. I love this guy. He's great. He's fantastic.
I'm fucking scared, bro. Fuck, just fly it out. Nice and easy.
This is my first time, bro. I'm so nervous.
The cleverest thing I've ever seen.
It's what?
The cleverest thing I've ever seen.
I just fucking got one the other day. I was looking up, because I can never get it past the white caps. And it's supposedly waterproof. But I don't want to test it right now. Let's look and see how far we on the... Oh, that's terrifying!
$1,000 on the line.
Oh, it's a $2,000 drone?
Fuck, that looks sick. Shit.
Where'd it go?
Okay, that's got to be fucking close. Now watch, boys. Ready? Ready? Drop the bait, katunk! Lift off now. Return home. We don't gotta touch nothing. Okay?
Whoa! Whoa! Oh!
Shit this.
Whoa! Whoa! He tethered the bait to the drone. That's so cool, dude.
Yes, fuck, that looks sick.
What?
Fucking close. Now watch, boys. Ready? Ready? Drop the bait, katunk! Lift off!
It's a long way to reel a fish. That's sick, though. That's so cool. All right, who we got? Who dis? Oh, it's watchglo. Oh, I was here. I was here.
No.
I was here. I was here. Yeah, I was in the back.
No, please, no. No.
I lost my hat.
No, this isn't my favorite ride. The other one is.
No. Are you kidding me? I said no. I said no.
They're bored.
I said no.
I'm about to,
Oh my god.
I'm about to look for my hat, dude.
This wasn't bad. I don't like rides, but this one wasn't bad.
Get me the fuck off this shit right now. What did he do to me? Oh my god. This is the fucking worst time of my life. No.
Was that in the front?
I want to get off this shit right now.
Where's my hat?
Get me off this shit!
Where the fuck is my hat?
He lost his hat. Crazy. All right, watchglo 2. Okay, Mr. Outdoor IRL, you're throwing some shade. How could you put that but not me screaming for my dear life on the Sea Dragon, bro? I'm gonna look that up after this. Come on, you slacking, man.
Can I pet your dog? Oh, nice.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
That's crazy. Look at it.
That thing is several $1,000s. I would just yoink it.
Aww. Why does it look so cute even though it's a damn machine? It's like walking backwards.
Have it attack someone. All right, and here is Wild Earth, Outdoor IRL. I hope you know. Mr. IRL. I hope you know I didn't forget about that shade. You're throwing the shade to the 1,000-year-old 700-foot palm tree makes. All sorts of like earth exploration and stuff. Sick. Oh. Oh, she's whipping that.
Okay, well, that ends that very quickly.
What do you do if you get stuck and there's like a lion? Whoa.
If you're interested in looking to getting whitelisted, please look below in the video description for links. You can also contact me direct message on Discord, email outdoorirl@gmail.com, or DM me on Twitter at OutdoorIRL. Thanks for watching. Please, if you found any value in this video, hit the like and subscribe. If you love Outdoor IRL content, hit the bell to get notified on other videos. See you next time, guys.